Hi friends, this is Arsh and in this video I will show you how to make a thumbnail. A good thumbnail means more clicks, more views, more subscribers and your channel growth will go from here till here. So if you don't know how to make a thumbnail, in this video I will show you how to make a very nice thumbnail. First let me tell you one thing which is very important. If your thumbnail is good, your CTR will go very high. What is CTR? CTR is click through rate. So a thumbnail is very important for a YouTuber. So let's start. So the first thing you need is a photo. You can obtain a photo by two ways. The first thing by clicking it by yourself. Second, by downloading it from Google into your photos. I've already made a video on how to download Google images into your gallery. I will share the link down in the description box. In the next video, I will show you how to download a completely free image from Google into your gallery. This is the picture I want to use. Second thing you need is an editing app. I currently use Canva editing app. I downloaded it from Google Play Store. Then when it's done downloading, you have to log in with your account into the app. So let's start. Tap on Canva. Then go to search. Then type YouTube. YouTube thumbnail will be suggested to you. Tap on it. Wow, there are so many thumbnails you can choose from. I want the blank one. Wait for some time. Go back. Then tap on the plus sign. Go to uploads. You have to upload your photos from upload media. My photos are already there. I'll select this one as my background. I can adjust it also how big it is. Go one plus again. I want this one now as my main thumbnail. So let me just adjust it a little and then see, there are so many things you can tap on. Duplicate, delete, replace, effects, filters. There are so many things. I want to adjust it a little. I will put the brightness a little lower and it is so much better. So tap on plus again. Tap on text. There are a lot of text you can use. See, I want this one. Then ungroup it. Then I will delete that. Now I'll tap the text I want. I want to write M-A-K-E, make. Then enter. Then I want to duplicate it. So tap it and duplicate. So now I edited the font size how I wanted it. So now I want to color it. Yeah, there. And now for thumbnails, I want this color. I like it a lot. And actually I want yellow. And for professionals, I want this one. For YouTube, I want red. So now I want the YouTube logo. I'll tap on the plus sign. So you can use whatever you want. I want the YouTube logo. So I'll tap there. Then I'll just adjust it a little. Put it in place. And now I will save it. On the top right of your corner, I'll tap there. And save as image. Save. Like that. It is downloading now. Like this, you can make as many thumbnails as you want. So this is a very easy app to use. Everyone can use it. I hope you liked the video. I will also share the links down in the description box. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I wish you the best of luck. Bye.